The main reason for go out is we're buying famous and cotton. But then I think, oh, maybe I should buy something for my hiking. Yes, Westwick. Ta-da! And then it must be useful. Under the sun, ray on your face, you feel something. And another product is this. This is sun cream. It's so cute. It's a new product, new upgrade. And the staff say if I get another product, I can get 20% off. Yes, this I also want to buy last few months. And he gave me a lipstick. It's so cute. I asked for skincare. He gave me this couple lotion and I don't know what is this. And then he say if I buy a cleaning oil, a big one, you get a small one. Yes, it come home with me. And finally, this foundation. Oh my god, he want me to wear a really nice makeup. And this bag is so colorful, so shining, so